Yes, yan yung mga ito po panansaran pasana zantana ya aku kana tele ya aku be industry man kan kana zanta on this particular channel saya video channel wanya ka wil wanya la kacha media mo ran ma min braga fia yen sai so ita lan kana tete zan ya to shiri ya ku gorgan industry ma pune dinin ye misata mini debura enta zanta puja ke yes I kana tele you share the bol one time misata wil na bala korani mun da dedicated zanta fans gadam percentage on social media antunya kayir mo ya laban sang la particular yilmo ma kazan bisa tal picture nya dan parnyanga ka to so la yilmo ma dinyanga alla nya gel so mo pe mo anya ko bahalan trendra karbina shila mitu kunya ka gel ma picture bele shupo ani Abdul Malik ta Musa ni ma na dinya bisa tal adu galia yes ay kana de da particular gel so ana le ta background ma bubuno la dibura da particular gel ma ranya la habari na to kar woni oranya la mun betamles radio tamale as a staff and receptionist na you orabela ni man na receptionist. I did man time settle bara na nyela munda worker ni mane. I remember if I can remember correctly the last 2 years landa kubala there was rumors ta amila le la particular rumors ma da rabati tu ne da level mara ku yimna worker man la settle nyela mun zang pa nzanza pua yes la particular level mara yina to wora but nta rabati tu ne ma ni sele ni traba nyere ne sindi to amara bu yina pulone nta wora kama la yeto ashelu yerwa yelma ne nyele yes nta yeta ma yinya mi kata paji mo ma yela particular mo sama nda yina to ami to industry ma be yela antonya ka kasta diva mni Mr. Tel nta da not on good terms nta kana tele la particular girl ma wa diro pambongo be la particular ma diro pambongo me to Mr. Tel me for instance nta I get to know her to Mr. Tel ya whether you like it or not that's the fact but recently mo wa alwa di mala ba yina blandriki la so chemen ami Mr. Tel behavior on social media kami kasta diva behavior on social media. These two guys, you can say that they like controversies. Mostly at times they are coming to give us clearance on certain issues. I cannot tell you that girls Omni casta di varanya la banda have some conversations some days ago. Kadanya spark to up on social media and hadishan yeshabra to claims that the particular is more like a planting. They have fabricated everything to come and deceive us and be to force Mr. Tel to take it to something that does not belong to him. Katya kana the tang the yelma the yang yeshazan ina tazanta. Yes, that no le shawla ke to anwa ina kana tele to kon chang to pre to shari ya ku ina public figures bandila particular to anwa fila. I kana tele te jamu te give me a first staff video after la particular video man ina indicated that Mr. Tel be Deborah Biso on malekunya 2 years mama o yela Mr. Tel bia ya to apam yela ina de tanya a first staff bara ina to voice so opening zakara ina to some questions kara la ina to some accusations to kon tele 3 videos signale why den ko chaka to connect ye to anwa sen ta ga bon to borsha ya so te chama te dege a first staff ben mama ula ka first staff ina to feel concerned about this whole issue after Mr. Tel has been accused of impregnating our sister Deborah and refusing to take responsibility of that particular pregnancy. Check out the particular video on the catch up media more about Berge and Berge. Shopori Akutuna Duntamna Ka Duntamna.
Sonzang to Tumangon manager Nzang Pat for ko dry zone 3 years and better. But then my radio radio station share then you radio tabala I mention name. Then Jacan yelly to our yella in yella Robicon. Radio tamal manager. 1 yelly to us and Chanda Polo, Kavi Bama. Ami Vimana Bama lo Shepolo. Zungo good 3 years and Bella Kalala Hamo Corsi. Cabiel. Even some of us were calling to find out the truth. The Chevrato called and the Buhabang the Yamangli. Kiene Jire. Zungo, you have problem with Tel. Just because Aman Tel Bela Tosera be amnomala issues. Ko tua kagbabwana yel karayina. Yo aibina. That is the reason why you said that. Mante hapune. So Umbala believe that Kasta diva lala interview shilonda nang bima. Mala believe. Mala believe. Mbe the line yel. But I believe that Omo Robiconda plan. I believe. I believe, that's my belief. Yelema ne chansham. Come on, for instance. Because Kasta Diva nan kuto yella to ama. Kaba boha Robicon. It's not possible. Ona kuto because Robicon yere de ben shakam. So ona kuto yella to ama. Kaba no investigation boha Robicon. Zan changla to ama polo. Robicon me bana yellow. So hal before ka Robicon den you na ku sa chante jin radio ni no lan blame Robicon. But why ka Kasta Diva chante jin radio and blame Robicon one. Ami wa sharan tahali. Robicon boarma no blame ko pa yina te yel to amani nisem. Ko pa bo no ene Kasta Diva ne yel ma zon tahali ko pa yina no te clear your name. Zon good 3 years. Mbele man kiana kala to ango zorganda. Ka tu radio tambalen pa targa. Nobody talks about it until Suhama ka Robicon te yina te yara ko o long jila data ko ni la marta. And you want us to believe you. No. Ma ba believer labne. Chele kati yel na unzo. Kadala zongo questions kan yan boy. Kadala zongo. Tel yire na tum de radio tamale. Ka Kasta Diva de yel la to shel on yel ngo. Robicon na yel on sa yel shama. That's number 1. Be ola ka radio tamala ma amuno be zabra. Robicon na yina te yel on pandare te restore shel ma. To denen nande te tamale jire. When shin makamuno te pamal issue. Ka tuwo ko govern no yel to ashele. Beshaden ye secret amuno susune. Ko pabo no yina te yelle ka so kam bang ampa so sham. That is the problem. You don't wait. Abu wait and then you IBT yina polo. Kana pa yelle. After all, we've waited for over 3 good years. Hali shaba, we called you. Te da mambiene lala benma yamangle nyele be jire. Mamba mire yamangle de yamangle be na osane. Be male yerme vigba ma pam for good 3 good years. You ma ta ne change. Be you ma yi ne change. To ko kwanle don kunye sham. Ki be ni ma nan gboblale to ama ashile. Zon kata pa yina te yerle. Bozo. Just because Neswanda yel kabulo yuli. Ah, last time manirba da bunda yuli. A lot of people were mentioning your name. Nirba pam da bunda yuli.
Yes, to Mabima and out the Prana man will Anye Bush on boy, Captain Dalishia, Chokuina, Danila particular issue Momaranga fabricated once more. Antonio Bolica Bole, radio tamal manager, Union, in Tawaka Robicon, Ajoko Robicon. So, yes, I want to do Calapa or Ryan to the Filan Cala particular issue Martina indicated that it was a plan to check it out the day, particular Robicon Mama Baside of the story, Kakarantana Digi, Madame Fauzi. Thanks for joining us. This is Gachamita Gatite. I will bring you Shukuri Akutana Tamna Captain Tamna. Check out the room. Robicon Melekalauna.
She was working here at Radio Tamale. And my attention came to that particular issue after I was called by, I think, the parents of Deborah. No, I think she called me. And then I think the first one, I went there with another staff who was then here. I went there to understand what the issue was. I think that was the first time I actually went there. And we were made to understand that this is the situation. You see, please forgive me. Forgive me. There are certain aspects of it I will not want to go so deeper. That's why some people are attacking me and say that we are shielding some people or we're shielding certain activities and not that. But forgive me that there are certain aspects I don't want to go deeper. Because you see, my talking about it here, no, I'm not happy. I'm not happy about it. But because people have said so many things and attacked the radio station and talked about Robicon. I have seen so many videos on social media. So I thought that, but I'm not happy. Even those who are affected knows that, yes, it is not in my will to say this. To come out and be talking about this thing. But you see, I have gotten to understand that even when my attention was drawn and I took one other staff to the place, because I've not spoken with the person, so I can't even mention who I went, so I would not do that. But I went there with another staff, and then when we went, we sat with the mother and had a conversation. We sat with the mother, and the mother explained everything. Then I asked the mother, because you know my Dagbani is not good, so mostly I will make the other colleague to say everything in Dagbani to find out whether how any of these things really happened. And then the mother explained. Then we spoke with the lady as well, and she also explained her own version of the story. You know, my mindset was that, you know, when you hear that a man, because I've never gotten involved with such a thing, so I cannot say I know much about it. When you hear that a man has impregnated a woman and how these things are, I've not been into it before, so I wouldn't be able to tell you the feeling of that. I wouldn't be able to do that. But all I'm trying to say is that we actually thought that, okay, if indeed a staff is being accused of such a thing, then I needed to find out from that staff whether indeed you are aware of such a thing. And I think at that time, when we came back, I came and confronted that staff in the studio here, and I asked, are you aware of this thing? These people are saying that you are engaged in this. He said, no, forget about them. And you see, I'm that one. I would just immediately because I'm not the investigator in the first place. So the moment the person says some of these things, I will just walk away. I'll just move away. Because I'll wait. Probably they are also planning some activities or some decisions they want to take. But you see, when we went to this lady's place, the Deborah's place, I got to understand something. Even the brother, the elder brother of the young lady, those were some of the things that really demoralized me. You see, the elder brother of the young lady created a particular impression that this particular presenter involved was a demigod or was somebody they were afraid of. I said, come on. Because they hear the person on radio talk, they believe, wait, yellow to pam, mineral pam, me politicians pam, then I said, come on. Because I got dampened by that particular comment that the guy, even I was confused. Because the mindset is that this particular person, they said, oh, this is the person responsible, but we're afraid of the person because the person so-called is influential, he knows people, and for that matter, they wouldn't, maybe they can't push the matter. Then I said, oh, then if we say that we want to get a solution and get some support for the person by speaking to the person you are accusing of, to even understand it, because we could go to different lengths of trying to make sure that, because these are all people who are working here, we could sit and then look at these things. But we say, if the parents are scared, it means that even any elderly person that comes closer to them and tell them, oh, Charlie, isn't now, they will solve it at that level, and you are standing alone. Then I said, no. Then I needed to be very careful about it. If they say they want to do A, B, C, D, we want to see how we come into play.
Yes. Awun atwa ntsala particular video wala yala don wa pam batu kubwa na cheka to kubulo shobola don kutunute ton kubwa awun ntsata sa kar me connection to the topic mo dinye as to whether sister be anti Castade Vanyela Nyunda actually not the planning this whole issue with Deborah no force Mr. Tell into taking that particular pregnancy, whether or they be good, we are not sure. We are waiting for the man to come back from Accra so that they can do the DNA test, or they can take this case case to court nza to make it clear katiako yina te chamo te digi kasta difa after a first half na yina te pa accuse da la particular issue share on da yina te no abela la particular interview show on da have with Deborah on TikTok it was all a plan thing ulaka kasta difa yina te reply la particular rumors mama fila bo commerçants and tranti selon ma social media and any other nza personal who is accusing of planning that particular issue with Deborah and forcing Mr. Tell into taking something that does not belong to him. Check if you want to deal with particular the Castadiva side of the storm. Thanks. This is Kacha Media.
Tazang na tahangkal na katabuhanda. Amay to bor na yel na sungun yelmang le pa yelmang le ni yelmang le ni yelmang le danan tahla ka problem kan. After min Deborah interview nye videos pam kari shanga kumalare kanye accusations shanga pam kari shanga kumalare isham kana ti yel ye twa Deborah ni yel sham karnya la kala la ko yelle isu hirum ki maliyarle nzon ko bor nan zan sahabjala man bor ka gaw ye twa pam kan le jin ke ka promises na wunzur ni Deborah na interview magba abol makatu juna kan tukka be yara shangata man fauzi ya nyala munyan nangle ipam yinati yel ne kaman min Deborah interview ma it was fabricated no at all nyungu kamzan habor ma ni invite ma ida Qur'ana ka yin zan song bebo ka bor nan po because mi men kaman hali chan kotuni Qur'ana kan yan po kotuni po kana yelen yel mangle so I believe in that. Be anko bor nan nan ban sha'u ngu hakaman min Deborah it was not arranged command meme la shiba ishaba tuni minin yen verso from pumpong because ishab yar ma enjoy ma one yembo radios or televisions or especially social media ma because of umborin yelmang le zo be yar yelmang le dozo ki shabya nin yala to be nan la controversial ma to bozoki ile ne kama man fauzi ne kanan to fabricate ban sha'u and I will be dependent on somebody ka jani ka soti en zang nan tizang betray ma because nan la illegal something because if iyal ne kama planner me with Deborah manguna is illegal so ni le planner with Deborah ma ditile chanko to la kan lan yan planner to be wula so umbor ne shin ke umbor na believe ka believe nyungun je na believe still alhamdulillah because man feel mun kama we are family and friends on this page so igba right nyele no ben sha nan kan yina to explain le tinya imi man gba mi right nyele ka ben sha nan kan yina ti yele yel man le ki ba gumi ye man ni shele Mani Fauzia Hudu the oracle of Dagbang Castadiva Foundation CEO and founder and the Dagbang First movement Mbe fabricated with Gable nyam iche kan chang to bone Gable Mbe fabricated with Deborah interview ma kama mi Fauzia mbo Deborah she there's only labna with the part 2 another time maybe yungo baby ani I'll come back Bakaman Fauzia mbo Deborah she mandabu migani Mr. Tell Mali nami Mali to shangalala deeper these days kan bang na kaman lala case ma un Deborah no bolma kamino ndir fila ko yelma na kaman dana mi yina ponzo and lala very day ma kaman on force Deborah for lala interview ibaya may bor la yel mangle be iku bor mani I create content so dimi su'lo yelen yama wula ki borle iku bor mani ti challenge la ka so kam bable be bor manan kahgle ven yala nga dimi su'lo du tuni chakam bam anytime kam za ki bor nan kahga ben sha man Fauzia ni dunata kahgle man Fauzia ni angum Deborah first time man na jinyo ngoba fonzo kam mino dir fila un visuara mbolma ka yelma Deborah problem ni nyesham ka bor nun son dem tilgi shay polom balama kama nan bo Deborah shi vizora mbolma ka yelma o dolme dol ka te bang ne kaman man ne to twele la yelu mo mane nsong Deborah because so kampela repune kar nyon man ko le ne to twele repune ka de male mbazani ka buho questions poi kan tana repune don zo yen zan late kaman ni yelma ci fila sheldon kanan min Deborah susuna ha le karte kanan kaman nan me Deborah interview and ishaba ibu zor nawni manam maladu gali videos shanga but because of ABCD never release it ka Deborah be ka bi kan born in use in cripple adugale mampum malla ni ensemble sha cripple adugale.
This is all I want. I don't go bore to ashel muma yerma no la ye to amale chan sham ula ka amale no watch we to aboka wa ya ina an ye issue man go on shamuma and ta ula ka ye to aboka wa ha mala ha contribution de ka mala zampa la particular muma de bora no ne ara de bora no ne a fast staff no ne no ka terrorism ta ka robe ko ni fila nam pam la particular video is too long, we cannot upload everything, otherwise you people will get tired. So to kubwana anyere ni so already feel that pam concern do we have a particular issue man na incident man da no branya la bang approach kar we have no help or chant pour bima yama but akana tele bima lamba bima brother da la modifi la kar mala nta Mr. Tel la too influential so research chama ba bi habi to pressure no yina tan la bane ko bora nta on to sa la puma ka to yele paro so ya nta la ka robe confida pour yina to uru mo ba mira bo no terne as manager ko sa kana tele o malo staff nta kamala and then ma to bima barabla to the radio la particular radio station mama so arika nu biura kari kan le den kami jeno so muti piare ne nta ma be da bamba yana to al sharu ko me yala ka san wa te piare punya atinya ko moyi no ka kwel ma ko ya ne la ko raje ne na ci ko rabam fushi to ko sa na tan pause me bima yana fila sham nta rabo to no ve yala ya because someone is too influential nta ki bwane in ko san e bito ku ka chan free na so a fila ne ma na cha o robi conside ma ka ka study va do you also think that this thing was a planned thing zakati yako sana nzanta on this particular channel kati yale ya join na conversation ma under the comment section kati tira kacha media mo abo bargi shupuri ya kutuna tuntamna mama cheka to animal show no watch mo kati la click on the subscription bashima dana kariyala first time mo ka join tana on the conversation mama zo thanks for joining this kacha media abo bargi